Oh, hit the corner dot. Got some air. Saved it. Nothing but net. We're in a basketball cart, had to say it. Oh, spun out. Look at that, cut the track. Short tracking. Fantasy NASCARs. That's how Losi's keeping the fun going. Some iconic liveries on top of some modern bodies, on top of a ready-to-run, radio-controlled car capable of going 20 miles an hour, and just a lot of fun to go out and run with friends. And I think they picked some real favorites here. The Dale Earnhardt Jr. number 8 Budweiser car, the number 3 Goodrich car. I gotta get these out of the box so we can take a closer look. I'm gonna tell you about their features. I'm gonna show you what else comes inside the box. Then we're gonna take them out for some oval fun. I think Losi's keeping things pretty exciting with this platform. They certainly pulled in a bunch of people earlier this year with the latest 2025 liveries that they came out with. Now with these, I think it's just going to draw even more people into Oval RC. Really like the fantasy concept that Losi's given us, the modern body with the classic graphics that so many of us have some great memories about watching NASCAR on TV. And it's just awesome that they went and grabbed all the licensing for this, both the Goodwrench car and the Budweiser car. And this one doesn't have the Dale Earnhardt Sr. signature on it, but the number 8 has the junior signature on it, which is pretty cool. Body shape of this Chevrolet should give you the modern performance that you're looking for when you're out racing friends. Now let's take a look under the hood. For those of you in the hobby, this chassis is gonna look very familiar. It's the chassis they've been using on the Losi NASCAR for the past 2 years. It's based on the Grom drivetrain in the center. However, a lot of it is Losi molded composite chassis, the front bumper, the rear diffuser, and the Nerf bars, the body mounts. It's got a foam front bumper to help with protection as well. And then really easy for anybody to use. Simple Velcro strap to hold down the battery pack. There's your on-off switch over there, and it is powered by this 380 size 28 turn motor, which is low maintenance. Every once in a while, you should probably clean out if you're running in dusty situations and add a drop of oil to the front and rear bushing. It does have a cooling fan, that's pretty awesome. And then it has this 2-in-1 ESC receiver combo, 25 amp, all set up for you out of the box. You don't need to worry about that. And then a micro servo up front with metal gears. I'll show you the rest of that in a minute, but let's move on to the suspension. So independent suspension, front and rear, oil-filled coil-over shocks, nice smooth feel to them. You got some pretty heavy-duty arms for the suspension. No adjustments on these, but for simple racing fun, it's fixed where you need it, guys. Strong rear hubs to hold up to those curb bumps, and even strong steering knuckles up front. Dual shear point on the steering links, and those are fixed as well. So again, really easy to use this, really built up to withstand just some fun driving. And then into the driveline. So you've got a 4-wheel drive driveline on this NASCAR. I know some people out there may be wondering, why didn't they go with a rear-wheel drive carb? And that's because 4-wheel drive is easy for anyone to drive. And yes, it's not an authentic rear-wheel drive NASCAR, but I'll take driving ability over spinning out any day. And to be honest with you, this doesn't have a gasoline engine under the hood either, so not everything is gonna scale down to RC use. But got a metal center drive shaft, metal spur gear, metal dog bones out to the wheels, even metal CVs up front. So this driveline is already proven with some of the other models that are out there under the Horizon brand. And then the wheels and tires. So we've got licensed Goodyear Eagle tires on this, rubber slicks. These feel pretty grippy right out of the box. And again, already proven to work on a variety of surfaces, whether you're on asphalt or concrete. It's a really solid platform for the price. Now, let me show you what else comes in the box. They give you the Spectrum SLT2 radio system. This is 2.4 gig, has your basic trims, nice foam wheel on there, a 1400 milliamp LiPo battery pack, the USB-C charger or USB charger. They got a little adapter on that. 4 AA's for the radio system. So this is a completely ready to run RC right out of the box. Here's your instruction manuals, read through those. And I would suggest that if you're really gonna run these with some friends, a bunch, you go and check out their Power Stage Smart Bundle here. So this gives you a better charger. The factory charger, it's gonna take about an hour. This one's gonna take less, and this bundle also gives you an additional battery pack, and having 2 packs is always a must when you wanna go out driving with some friends. There's the charger, there's the power supply for the charger. They even give you the appropriate adapters that you need. Now guys, time to throw some battery packs in these cars. I'm gonna go pick up my friend Paul. We're gonna head over to the local basketball court and have a little oval race. There he is, guys. I picked up my friend Paul. He's got the Budweiser number 8 car, and I went with the number 3 car. We went and set up this course over here on the basketball court. He still had some road domes, which is gonna be awesome for the corners. But yeah, we're just gonna have fun, see what these things could do. We haven't raced anything in like since last boat season. When we hit this line in front of us, we'll just go.
Sounds good.
Oh, I think I got more squirt. Oh, look at you sliding out already. Oh, I'm sliding out. Tires are brand new. They got to break in a little bit. We'll be doing some power sliding to start. Rear end's a little loose.
Be a little gentle with the throttle.
Yeah, definitely rolling off in the corners. There we go. I think we're starting to get some bite out of these tires. Got to get some heat in there, right? It's starting to handle really well, though. Look at that.
What a blast from the past, man.
Right? Really good to see the good wrench back out there. Dale Jr. Oh, hit the corner dot. Got some air. Saved it. Nothing but net. We're in a basketball court, had to say it. Oh, spun out. Look at that. Cut the track. Short tracking. I got to catch you. Hot lap this thing. Coming in. Oh, spun out again in the corner. Oh, man. You're going the wrong way. It's not a road course. Just these odd little spin outs. You can see the surface is dusty, though.
Yeah, absolutely.
Yeah, this is definitely going to be fun for parking lot. I mean, we know that. The NASCARs have just been like the hot ticket. A lot of people getting into this. A lot of hobby shop. I saw a hobby shop built a track for it, like a banked oval. It's pretty awesome.
Oh, that's sweet. Oh, how cool would it be to see like, 4 or 5 of these out here?
I really hope that they continue with this fantasy lineup. That would be pretty sweet. What car would you want to see?
You got to see somebody like, Jeff Gordon out there.
Yeah. The old DuPont graphics.
Yeah, I can't think
I
of
don't
the
know.
old...
I've been on the F1 kick lately.
Yeah.
This might bring me back to NASCAR, though.
Got Michael Waltrip. There's like so many guys out there.
Oh, yeah. Davey Allison, the Texaco car.
Oh.
That would be sweet. So what do you think?
Pretty awesome.
Yeah? Like, easy to drive, right?
Yeah,
that four-wheel drive just makes it so much better.
Consider you're coming right out of the box, not like messing with the car at all. That's excellent for most people too.
Yeah. I mean, someone with zero experience in RC can totally get this around.
And to think that this isn't a prepped like surface either.
Yeah, this is a do it anywhere with your buddies type of thing. Or find a local track. Find a local hobby shop running these. Hey, don't scratch the body. That's a collector's item there. So guys, I mean, we knew that these were fun before. They're fun now. I like that Losi is just giving us these new options. Bringing back some awesome memories. And I think it's got to create some awesome memories when you're out there racing with some friends. Yeah, definitely check these out. $210. I'll have links for them in the video description below.